Hello friends, welcome back to my new video guys in my YouTube channel. In this video friends, I am going to show you guys iqoo mobile setting, and today video title is guys how to remove iqoo mobile lock screen password. Friends, you don't want to use iqoo mobile lock screen password. So friends, now let's see how to remove iqoo mobile lock screen password one by one, step by step friends we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video guys. So friends, you don't want to unlock iqoo mobile with password, you want to remove and you want to delete lock screen password. So you can delete, enter your password, unlock your phone. After unlock phone, open your device phone setting. After turn on phone setting friends, you can see this type interface in your iqoo mobile. Friends, in your iqoo mobile, scroll down here, open your phone security password setting. After doing your phone password and security setting, find my device you want to own, you can own find my device. Security update you can check, scroll down here, fingerprint lock setting, face lock setting you can use. So friends, we will click here screen lock setting, enter your lock screen password. After enter password friends, if you select your new password, so you can change your lock screen password. You want to unlock iqoo mobile with pattern password, you can draw pattern lock. If you click your pin, so friends, you can unlock your iqoo mobile with pin lock password. And friends, again you want to use your name password lock and you want to update your name password, you want to set new name password, so you can set new name password in iqoo mobile. So friends, click on next option and you want to use, so you can use it. And friends, if you click a swipe option, so your lock screen password will remove. And friends, you have fingerprint lock and you have face lock. So friends, your face lock and fingerprint lock will delete automatic if you turn off your lock screen password. Face lock data will delete, fingerprint lock data will delete also in your iqoo mobile. So friends, you can check when I will turn off my lock screen password, face lock and fingerprint lock will delete automatic. Click a swipe option, remove option, lock screen password remove, face lock automatic delete and fingerprint also automatic delete. Again you want to use face lock, select your screen lock password type. You want to unlock iqoo mobile with fingerprint lock, first screen lock password you will have to set, then you can use. So friends, off your screen and you can unlock your iqoo mobile with swipe lock. And friends, you want to remove swipe lock, so you can remove swipe lock also. Open your device password setting, open your phone screen lock setting, click here none option, your swipe lock will remove. So friends, now you can unlock your iqoo mobile screen without swipe lock. And you want to use swipe lock, you want to unlock iqoo mobile with swipe lock. So friends, click here swipe, off your screen and you can on your screen with swipe lock. Swipe here, phone will unlock. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video.